none of us, I mean most of us had not even imagined that we'll go to Chandrashila and snow and so much of struggles. I had not ever imagined, and that was the reason when I was on the top and there was that emotional moment. I was so much crying because I was able to see my journey. It's so foolish to underestimate our strength. We can do whatever we want. It's the inner spark that should not be, should always be there. This is something I learned throughout the trek. You can do anything.
Taking the back seat is equally as important. And also if you are reaching last, because for the team or with the team, then I think you are reaching first. It doesn't matter like ऊपर पहले कौन गया, पहले कौन जा रहा है. Doesn't matter at all. With that thing I learned from this trip. If you are reaching last and you are capable of reaching first, but still you are reaching last because you are going ahead with your team and you are helping them, then he is the winner for me. He or she is the winner.
A lot about myself, so we take every day, we sit down and we reflect, and I learned a lot about how I perceive others, how others perceive me. Like our team, we didn't know each other, we started as a group, but now we are actually a team, and I think that is beautiful and truly taught me about how to be very collaborative.
Seeing everyone come up together, complete all the challenges every day. So I have seen people who have not trekked before, who were out of breath in the first 500 meters. But because of the team, they all came up together. They all cheered each other. They had that leadership in them to come together and complete the trek. The teams were great. Everyone was helping each other. That taught us a lot.
Through all the challenges that we've had, that we faced, whether it was from day one where we saw that everyone in the entire team was helping and collaborative and everyone gave 10 on 10 ratings, to the second day when we sort of had small conflicts and then we realized, okay, everything is not as perfect as it seems. But then the fact that the entire team, all 29 of us, rose to the occasion whenever there were any tough times, like when it snowed crazily last night. And despite that, everybody just started cooking and cutting vegetables and washing the dishes in cold, chilled water. So I think that's pretty amazing. You can see the kind and helpful side of people which probably you wouldn't see in the city.
So we learn to trust each other. If someone is doing something, we trust him to complete the task and follow in his footsteps. Even in the trek, to follow in someone's footstep on a route that you not even know is something that is really exciting and taught me a lot.